Assalamualaikum friends, Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today's video, I will share some beautiful rocks paintings ideas. So friends, let's start today video. Viewers, the magic of rocks paintings. Every rock has a story shaped by wind, water, and time. And when we add a touch of color, we give that story new life. Rock painting in just art; its transformation. A plain stone become a little world of imagination. Some become smiling face, other turn into tiny house, blooming flowers, or glowing galaxy. Each stroke of paint connects the artist to nature, to the earth that give us this beautiful and imperfect canvas. No two rocks are ever the same, and that's what make each creative so special. The process begins simply a smooth stone, a few colors, and a heart full of creative. You don't need perfection, it's just intensity and love for art, because every rock you paint carry a piece of your imagination into the world. Some artists paint inspiring word, hope, love, peace. Other creative colorful animals or festive designs. Other creative colorful animals and festive design, simple or detailed. Every design tells its own story, and when these paint rocks are placed in gardens, home, or park, they spread happiness, color, and positivity. Rocks painting remind us that beauty can come from the simplest things. Even a small stone, when touched by creative, can become something truly extraordinary. So pick up a rock, hold it in your hand, and imagine what is called viewers and friends. What is called become, because every rock is waiting for you to bring friends. It's hidden beauty to life. So friends, Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching my channel. Thanks for watching my videos. So Khuda Hafiz. I hope you enjoy my